everyone. Today I am going to be making a Mickey topiary. We're going to use some styrofoam balls, a dowel rod, some moss, some paint, some hot glue, and maybe some other little add-ons. So to start out, I have some foam balls. So to put the head together, I use toothpicks to hold the ears to the head, and then I put a dowel rod at the bottom. I got colorful dowel rods and used a green one and cut it in half. You could totally just use the plain wood color and paint it green or whatever color you would like it to be. The ears are 1.8 inch foam balls, and the head is 2.8 inches. And I'm going to start out painting them green just so you don't see the white through the moss. So I painted the styrofoam balls green. So now it's time to hot glue on the reindeer moss. I got it in a green color from Michael's, and luckily it was 40% off. So just get some of your moss, flatten it out just a little bit. If there are any little tougher pieces, pull them out. Put some hot glue on one spot of your styrofoam ball and press it down. Now you might want to use a popsicle stick or something like that to help you press it down so that you don't get burned, because the glue will come through the moss a little bit. Also, you might want to consider wearing gloves, because at least this moss that I used turned my fingers green and my fingernails green and everything else, so you might want to protect your skin. So just keep adding small patches of moss, filling in all of the spots, pressing it down as you glue it on. And you do that for both ears and the head. Now I included in this video showing me do one ear and the head, but if you get the idea and you want to fast forward, go ahead and fast forward. So once you have everything covered in moss, it's time to put the ears back on the head. And I just added a little glue around the toothpick and stuck the ear through the holes I already had made. Next, I decided to put my topiary into a white painted wood box, and I used some green styrofoam to hold the topiary up. I decided to glue some moss on the top of the styrofoam. So again, I just used a toothpick to kind of push it down just so that it didn't burn my fingers. Once I was done adding the moss, I decided to add a pretty ribbon to go around the outside of the box to decorate it a little. I just hot glued that all the way around. And last, I decided to add some little flowers to the topiary to give it a little bit of decoration and make it look a little more like Minnie. So I just took 2 small flowers and glued them on underneath each ear. This was a fairly easy project, but very messy. Make sure you put down a tablecloth and have wipies or gloves so you don't get green everywhere. I really like how it turned out in the end. I think it looks really cute. And the colors that I used match the wreath that I made last time. So goes with my whole decor theme for right now. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you'll come back and like and subscribe and see what we're going to make up next. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.